Hi, I'm Ranger Tom and I'm here at Belhus Country Park. As you can see, we've got lots of bluebells here at the moment and lots of birds are singing their hearts out.
Woodlands are one of the specialities here at Belhus Country Park. In fact, to start with, the park was mostly just ancient and secondary woodland, although over the years this has been added to and the park now has many different habitats. Bluebells are a feature of ancient woodlands like this. It's time to go for a walk through one of our best bluebell woods. We're now in White Post Wood, and as you can see, the bluebells are doing very well here this year. Bluebells actually have many different common names, including wild hyacinth, woodbell, cuckoo's boots, witch's thimbles, and crow's toes. They've also been called fairy flowers, and some myths say that fairies use bluebells to lure and trap people passing by in the woods. We are lucky in the UK to have around half of the world's bluebell populations, so you can find places with carpets of bluebells like this. They are threatened in places though through habitat destruction, collection from the wild, and the escape of the Spanish bluebell from gardens. The Spanish bluebell can crossbreed with our native bluebell populations. To help protect bluebells, it is against the law to intentionally pick, uproot, or destroy bluebells. Bluebells can take years to recover after footfall damage. If a bluebell's leaves are crushed, they can die back and be unable to photosynthesize. Bluebells also take a long time to establish, and it can take 5 to 7 years to grow from a seed to a flower. Bluebells are fantastic for our native pollinators, and let's take one more walk, this time through Whitehall Wood, to look at the bluebells and other spring flowers here at Belhus Country Park.